Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most thrilling returns in the automotive world, the 2026 Dodge Viper, after years of silence. Dodge has revived this legendary American supercar, and it's back with a vengeance. The new Viper combines raw muscle with modern technology, staying true to its iconic heritage while stepping into the future of performance. The first thing you notice is the design: low, wide, and aggressive, with that unmistakable snake-like stance. The long hood, deep curves, and massive front air intakes give it an intimidating presence. Every part of the body is functional, from the active rear wing to the aerodynamic underbody, all designed to keep it planted at high speeds. Dodge has taken the classic Viper shape and sharpened it with modern aerodynamics and lightweight carbon fiber elements. Under the hood is where things get even more exciting. Instead of the old naturally aspirated V10, the 2026 Viper introduces a twin turbocharged V8, pushing out an incredible 850 horsepower. This engine is paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission, but for purists, Dodge is still offering a 6-speed manual option. The result? A blistering 0 to 60 time of just 2.7 seconds and a top speed well over 200 miles per hour. Inside, the new Viper balances comfort with pure driver focus. The cockpit is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, a fully digital instrument. Cluster gives you real-time performance data, while the infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced track telemetry. Even though it's more refined than ever, everything inside is still centered around the driving experience. On the road and track, the Viper's new lightweight chassis, adaptive suspension, and torque vectoring give it incredible control and handling. It's still a car that demands respect, but is now more predictable and balanced, rewarding skilled drivers while offering a more forgiving learning curve. Dodge is even offering a special hybrid assist GTSC model, using electric power for instant low-end torque while keeping that raw combustion sound alive. And for those who want extreme performance, the CR version comes loaded with track-focused aerodynamics and suspension. The 2026 Dodge Viper is more than a comeback. It's a statement that pure American performance is still alive. It's bold, powerful, and unapologetically exciting. A true driver's car built for those who crave adrenaline every time they hit the road.